Hello guys, good evening. There is Suhail Khalik Pinzari. Today's date is 24th of March 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic linked hash map. So let's start. So in previous video we seen about the array list, linked list, hash map, tree map. So today we will discuss about linked hash map. Linked hash map is a combination of array list and it is a combination of linked list and hash table. So if we see all about the hash map, hash map, tree map and array list, linked list, what is the main purpose of the linked hash map? We see in all maps in the previous videos, the all maps does not maintain insertion, does not maintain is insertion order. It does not maintain insertion order, but linked hash map maintain insertion order properly. Insertion order, what is mean insertion order? Means if we give some number of elements, means if we give a 10 elements or 10 integers, means like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and if we want to print this element at that time in a tree map or simple hash map, if we print that element at that time, we does not print the element like we give in a input like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, but in a linked hash map we get a property to print these numbers in a insertion order. Means if we write and if we give first one number, one integer 1, and second we give number 2, means integer 2, third 3 4 5 6, and when we print this hash map at linked hash map, at that time we get an output like 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a insertion order. Means we insert this number and we get this order in an output. So insertion order is a combination of hash table and linked list. Means in that hash table this is created by the array list. Means we take one array, this is size is totally depend upon developer, and every array element we say that every array element is a root of this array, and this root we linked our linked list with this root, and this is main purpose of this. It is in this we can store multiples and thousands of values without index out of bound, without getting index out of bound exceptions and any other exceptions. So this is our purpose of linked list hash map. So in that we get and we seen so many methods which is help us to developer for easiest this program and easiest us program. And that so many methods, means add, like some methods we discuss. First one is a add method, second one is a remove method, third one is a get method, fourth one is a get key method, or contains key method, and next one is a contains value method. In that we store the element in a pair of key and values. Means one is a key is in a integer form and value is in a string form. So if we use add method, at that time if we want to add some element in this linked list, linked hash map, so we use add method, and with the help of add method we add any number if we want, which number we want to add in this linked hash map. So this is add method is used for adding the element in hash map. Second one is remove method. If we want to remove any number or any element or any integer, in this, if we perform this remove operation in our simple hash map, at that time we want to traverse our all elements for searching this one element, and after it we traverse our all array. Means if we have thousands number of array or thousand elements of array, at that time this is process is very lengthy and very time consuming process. That's why we produce that's why Java developer produce and develops the linked hash map. In that remove process used for the remove any element which we gives, if we give key of some element, at that time remove method remove this or this particular element or data or value from this key. So next one is a contains key method. We want to search, if we want to search some key which is available in our hash map, linked hash map, at that time we use contains key method. And next one is contains value method. Contains value method, if we want to check our some value which is present or not in our hash map, at that time we use contains value. And contains key and contains value return type is a boolean type. And next one is our get method. If we want to get some value or get some element on a particular key, at that time we use get method. In this get method we give a key. In a get method we give a key, particular key, and the output, in an output we see the element which is present on this key. So that's some method of our linked hash map, and so many methods are available in a linked hash map. So this is all about linked hash map. Thank you.